Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add a table to your WordPress site. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the website loads, take a moment to locate the login option situated in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this login button is the first step towards accessing your account and ultimately the site editor where you will be making changes. After you click the login on the top right corner, you will be presented with various options to sign in. For a more streamlined experience, choose the method that says Continue with Google. When you select this option, you will be prompted to pick one of your Google accounts provided you are already signed into Google on your device. This method offers convenience by eliminating the need to enter a username and password manually, allowing you to quickly and securely sign in to WordPress. Once your login is successful, you will notice that you are directed to the WordPress dashboard. In this area, focus your attention on the quick links section. This part of the dashboard is designed to give you rapid access to the most frequently used features of your site. Within this quick links area, you will find the Edit Site option. Clicking on Edit Site transfers you to the site editor, where you can modify the layout and elements of your website. Inside the site editor, your next task is to add a new block to enhance your content layout. Move your eyes to the top left corner of the editor interface. Here you are met with a plus icon that signals the option to add a new content block. Click on this plus icon to open the block inserter menu. This menu contains an array of different types of blocks that you can use on your pages or posts. Once the block inserter menu is activated, you will see a search field. In this field, type in the word table to locate the table block quickly without having to sift through all of the available blocks. The search functionality is built to filter and display only the relevant options, making your selection process efficient, especially when many blocks are available. As you type in table, the table block appears among the search results. Click on the table block option to add it to your page. The newly added table block is versatile, enabling you to structure your data neatly. The block comes with built-in customization that allows you to adjust both the number of columns and the number of rows. This flexibility is particularly useful if you need to tailor the table's layout to fit the specifics of your content. Simply modify the columns and rows count to match the requirements of the data you plan to display. After adjusting the columns and rows to your satisfaction, the table is now properly configured within your page. This concludes the process of adding and setting up a table in WordPress. It is advisable to review your changes by previewing the page so that you are certain the table appears exactly as you had envisioned it. Once you are content with the arrangement, you can move forward to publish your updates to your live site. This detailed procedure ensures that you effortlessly enhance your content organization, making your website both more functional and visually appealing. Enjoy the improved capabilities of your site and continue exploring additional WordPress features to further customize and optimize your web pages.